Self-test problem number 6 on page 183 asks, how many barrels will the cylinder tank with two half-spherical ends on the sketch above hold? In order to solve this problem, you follow the steps. In step 1, you find the volume of the two half circles on the end. The formula for volume of a half sphere is volume equals 4/3 times pi times radius cubed divided by 2. And the radius for the half sphere in this circumstance is 7 because the diameter is 14, and that's the one on the tall row right there, highlighted inside the tank. And then you plug that into the formula, and then I worked with exact numbers, so the volume for the half sphere came out to be 718.377, etc. And step 2, you multiply the volume of the half sphere by 2 to get the total volume of both ends. That is the cubic measurement for volume for both half spheres on each end, make one sphere. And so all you do is just multiply by 2, and that would give you 1,436.75504 cubic feet. After that, you want to find the volume of the cylinder. So you use the formula below to calculate the area of the remaining cylinder without the two half sphere ends. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is volume equals pi times radius squared times height. And for the same thing, you plug in the same information. The radius in this circumstance for the cylinder is 7, which is half of 14. 14 is the diameter. So you plug that in, and it gives you 4,310.265121 cubic feet. In step 4, you add the volume totals from the cylinder and the half sphere on the end to obtain the total volume of the container. So you take the volume of the two half spheres, which would be one sphere, which is 1,436, and you add that to 4,310, which is the volume of the cylinder. And then once you have that, you have your total amount of 5,747.020161 cubic feet total in the entire tank. And the question asks, how many barrels will a cylinder tank with two half spherical ends in the sketch above hold? In order to calculate that, you simply just have to convert cubic feet into barrels. The conversion for 1 cubic foot is 0.178 barrels. So all you do is just a simple algebraic equation and plug it in, and you do 5,747.02016 cubic feet times 0.178 barrels, which gives you a total of 1,022.969589 barrels that can be held in the tank above, which is the answer to the problem. It can hold 1,022. If we round up, 1,023, but I worked with exact numbers to get exact measurements. And that's it.